Good day, students. Welcome to my course, Fundamentals of ArcGIS, and today we'll work with the second module, Introduction to ArcMap, and we'll work on the second tutorial. So let's start. At first, open the Word file, tutorial, Introduction to ArcMap, and afterwards I'll open the ArcMap software and we will search for our second tutorial. So here it is, Introduction to ArcMap. Let's open it. So let's start. So as I we already talked about it in our lecture. This is our table of contents, view window, Arc toolbox, menu panel, and menu bar. So open ArcMap document called tutorial. Tools, Introduction to ArcMap. So we can just print screen this our window and paste it here in order to show that we already done this task. So second question, repair the broken link of dataset soil map. The source dataset is stored in the soil map shape in folder spatial dataset. So as we can see here that there is no spatial dataset which we can see on our view window. So because that our link is broken, though these are the layers which are situated in table of contents within a data frame, and we cannot see them because the link of these datasets are broken. We can notice here this sign, and as I mentioned, we can repair this dataset. So remember again that ArcMap documents and neither data frames do not store actual spatial datasets. They store only the references to data, spatial data. So we can repair it. Just right click, mouse, data, repair data source. And in our spatial datasets folder, we should find soil map. Here is our soil map shape. So we can print. We should print screen it, and just add, and see that our spatial dataset is repaired. Do the same thing with other datasets. So streets, we should find here streets. So map streets. Here's our dataset streets. Streets are repaired. So we should remember that we should try to put point and line polygons on the top of the table of contents in order to see them, while the polygon should be on the bottom, because polygons cover all the if the polygon dataset or raster dataset is on the top of the table of contents, it covers the whole view window and we cannot see what is below it. Do the same with trails. Actually it's path. We can rename it here with path. So remember that if you rename here the spatial name of the spatial dataset, the name of the spatial dataset doesn't change in your local disk. For instance, I will go to the source of this dataset, and we can notice here that the name is still path while it was previously trails. So the same here with so actually here soil dots, and we should repair it. Soil dots. And the last one is river polygon. Here is our river map, right? So it's better always to put the name of the actual name of a dataset in your folder, which is in your folder. So the broken links are repaired. Let's go further. The ArcMap document tutorial to Introduction to ArcMap contains a number of data frames and datasets which are listed in the table of contents. So these are the data frames and these are the datasets within. So how many data frames does the document tutorial contain? So it's not hard to guess. There are two data frames, data frame 1 and data frame 2. Data frames are in this ArcMap document. How many datasets does the data frame 1 contain? So each data frame contains a multiple of datasets. In our case, data frame 1 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 datasets. Data frame 1 contains 5 datasets, and turn the visibility of the datasets contained in the data frame on and off. So we can both activate data frame. For instance, in our case, data frame 1 is activated, and now we can see the datasets within this data frame on a view window. But we can also turn on off, so activate or make it active or passive this spatial datasets, which if we make it passive, we cannot see them on our view window, while when we make it active, we can see them on a view window. So just make a print screen, close several spatial datasets, and see the results on a view window. So activate data frame 2, and to view the dataset LULC, it's our land use and cover dataset, raster dataset. So in order to activate data frame 2, we put on its name, click the right button of a mouse and put here, click here, activate. So the link of this dataset is still broken, so we should find it here. See that LULC TIFF. So raster datasets has the extension of TIFF, while vector datasets has the extension of Shepherd. So here is our map. It's activated now. Insert a new data frame. The insert data frame is immediately activated. Name is this data frame is, let's name it new data frame. Okay. So how we can add a new data frame on in our ArcMap document? It's easy. Go to Insert in a menu panel, and we can see here data frame, insert data frame. So we push it here, and the new data frame is created, and it automatically becomes active. Now we can change the name of a data frame. We have two options for that. First, you can just click one time with the left button of mouse, and here you can change the name, but also you can go to properties and go to general, and here we can change the name of the data frame, new data frame, make it alt print screen, and our data frame is created and changed. So now activate data frame 3. No, it's our new data frame, right? New data frame, and actually it's automatically active because we just recently created it. Add shapefile LULC vector stored in folder spatial datasets to the data frame, to the new to this data frame. So how we can add a new dataset within a data frame? We should click with the right button of a mouse, and here we can see the add data, right? There is also here is the same function here in the menu bar, but it's easier to use this function with the right click of a mouse. So LULC vector, here is our vector dataset. So now it's a new data set within a data frame is added, and we can work with a new data set and data frame. Why we need a new data set and data frame? While working in a huge projects with ArcMap, you will understand that making collecting the compilation of datasets within a certain